Hey YouTube, been a while since I made any videos. We've gotten a little bit slower, so I figured I'd take the time. I haven't had the time. Went to a call Friday, 4-ton Goodman heat pump. Got there and the liquid line was actually freezing from the compressor or condenser all the way into the heat pump. I'm sorry, air handler. It's kind of odd, so after some checking and thinking, I kind of feel like the filter dryer is restricted. On the Goodmans, as you may know, it's down in the condenser, and both my suction and liquid pressure was zero, or in a vacuum, so I kind of figured it had to be prior to the service ports or I would have some pressure. Anyway, I don't think I've ever seen it happen in this exact context, so I'm going out there now. I'm going to try to get some footage of repairs. It's going to take some time. I got to recover it and everything, so stick around and we'll see what we see. Hey guys, as you saw in the last video, we got this machine recovered. I went ahead and broke apart the liquid dryer. Let me got that puppy out. I went ahead and disconnected it here. I'm gonna put in some copper and put the dryer at a different location, easier location. Got the piston out of the condenser and it's pretty gunky. I don't think it's restricted, but it's kind of gummy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it, see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and flush this condenser out. Well, I pulled the pistons out. They're a little crusty. Give them a little flush here and clean them up real nice. I'll get them both back in. I went ahead and got the outside portion just bypassed here. I'm gonna get this reconnected and figure out where to move the dryer. I'd like to put it in by the air handler. There's not much copper here, so I could bring this up and out. Haven't decided. Well, not the cleanest thing I've ever done, but it's really hard to get the excess copper to get the dryer in here and still be able to come up and over and change the filter. As you can see, I just cut the drain, pulled the copper over here, got everything brazed in, and then just extended it up and over. Came out fine. Well, I got her fired up. It's running good. Pressures are looking good. Called for about 13 pounds. I think I'm gonna need more. Line set's kind of long. In case you were wondering, this is the SSE 14 SEER single stage, 3.5 ton. Unless you like Goodmans, then you'll know it's kind of a piece of junk. This is where we're standing so far. I'm taking my superheat on my smart probes, so I might screenshot that if I can. Cool, y'all. Got one running. See ya.